One friend who thinks they want the truth but then immediately regrets asking. Your human forgets to feed you for 5 whole minutes, so you decide to phase out of this dimension. The moment he realized there was a 0 chance of that jump being successful but a 100 chance it was being recorded. Moment when the lake day was a 10 but you're... I asked my cat for my wallet back and he suddenly forgot how to speak English. He is literally gatekeeping my own budget. The catnip finally kicks in. You hit your funny bone and your whole soul glitches for 5 business days. You hear a snack wrapper from 3 rooms away and have to activate sport mode immediately. Fall asleep mid-sentence during a 3-hour karaoke session and the microphone has to carry the rest of the show. Your human is working from home. You really want to be a T-Rex, but you were born a good boy. You try to act tough in front of your friends, but the main character of the neighborhood finally walks outside.
Meow 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 meow.
You decide to take a leap of faith but realize halfway down that you forgot to check who was... You tell your dog it is bath time and he decides to take matters into his own paws. 1 second he is contemplating life on the dock. Personal trainer? More like personal hinderer. I asked for help with my sit-ups, and he decided to become the weighted vest. At least one of us. Your one brain cell finally realizes that the foot attacking you is actually your own foot. Your human tries to fix your hair, but you decide to become a professional interpretive dancer instead. moment you realize the box gravity is clearly just a suggestion when there is a chance the human might drop a single drop of yogurt. You are trying to be mad at her, but you also know who provides the premium treats. You decide to investigate the trash, but the trash decides to keep you. Convinced. Physics.exe.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
You forget that glass exists.
NANI?!
You try to speak the language of the streets, but the streets are actually your living room and the street. Moment when you realize the dog is carrying the water and you are just the person holding the leash. He is the main character and I am just the logistics coordinator. Decide to stop being a dog and start being a... You order a world-class goalkeeper on Wish and it actually shows up.
No. Sharing's caring.
Trying to catch the water is all fun and games until you realize you are basically just bathing yourself with extra steps. You realize you have 9 lives, but he only has 1 clip.
特别贴那个。